Hey folks, stressful days and sore muscles are officially no match for the wonders of percussion massagers. Whether you're an athlete looking for recovery or someone who just wants to melt away tension after a long day, we've rounded up the top 5 percussion massagers of 2025 to bring professional-level relaxation straight to your home. Let's dive in. First up is the Theragun Pro Plus, the flagship of high-performance massagers. This beast delivers up to 60 pounds of stall force, making it perfect for working out the toughest knots. Its 16mm amplitude ensures deep penetration to target even the most stubborn muscle tension. The Quiet Force technology keeps it whisper quiet, so you can use it anytime without disturbing others. It features customizable speed settings ranging from a gentle warm-up to an intense deep tissue massage. With 6 attachments, you can target every muscle group with precision, and its OLED screen provides real-time feedback. Add Bluetooth connectivity and a multi-hour battery life, and you've got a pro-grade massager that delivers on every front. Next, we have the Hyperice Hypervolt 2, a lighter, more portable option that doesn't skimp on power. It comes equipped with a brushless high-torque motor capable of delivering a deep and soothing massage. Its 3-speed settings and quiet glide technology ensure a smooth and silent operation, even at its highest intensity. The Hypervolt 2 is also Bluetooth-enabled, allowing you to sync it with the Hyperice app for tailored recovery routines. It's designed with an ergonomic handle, making it easy to maneuver and target hard-to-reach areas. With its lightweight frame and long battery life, this massager is ideal for those who need recovery on the go. Third on the list is the Homedics HHP-735HJ, a compact device designed for targeted relief with added versatility. This massager stands out with its dual pivoting massage heads, offering an adjustable and consistent rhythm for deep relaxation. It features 3-speed settings and a soothing heat function that makes it ideal for relieving stiff muscles and improving circulation. The lightweight design and long power cord make it easy to use on any area of the body. Whether you're unwinding after a workout or easing chronic pain, this affordable massager gets the job done without breaking the bank. Coming in fourth is the Sharper Image Percussion Massager, which combines style, power, and convenience. It offers adjustable speeds for a customizable massage experience and includes several interchangeable heads to cater to different muscle groups and tension levels. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to handle, and the rechargeable battery provides hours of uninterrupted use. Whether you're looking to soothe sore shoulders or target deep tissue knots, this massager delivers high-end results without the hefty price tag. Finally, meet the TheraGun Relief, the perfect entry-level option for those wanting professional-grade relief without all the bells and whistles. This device maintains the signature TheraGun performance, with a powerful motor and 12mm amplitude that delivers effective muscle recovery. It features multiple speed settings for varied intensity, and comes with 3 attachments to adapt to different muscle groups. The ergonomic triangular handle ensures easy maneuverability, and the lightweight design makes it perfect for daily use. Quiet, efficient, and budget-friendly, the TheraGun Relief is an excellent choice for anyone starting their percussion therapy journey.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.